What's going on, everybody? We are here. I guess we're okay. I do want to say this, like right off the bat, I think that the cryptocurrency market at this point is going to get a lot worse. I did not expect Voyager to come out and freeze everybody's accounts, freeze trading, freeze withdrawals. Where do they come off thinking that they can freeze our money and that is okay? And there's a lot of death threats and stuff going on Twitter right now. And when you steal from somebody, which is what they are doing, they should expect some consequences. Now, whether or not that's the right decision to go about, I don't know. But what I do know is that when people catch wind of what's going on with centralized exchange after centralized exchange, when people see that Coinbase is next, when Binance is next, when all of these exchanges are going to be next, there will be a run on crypto. And whether or not they're in financial trouble, they may freeze your assets ahead of time to stop you from going on that run. So personally, watching exchange by exchange drop off, I do think we're going to get back to a point where, Bitcoin is basically trashed, Ethereum is trashed, and all of these centralized exchanges are trashed. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, after the centralized exchanges are gone, and after they realize that people are compliant and allowing them to take their money, our bank accounts are next. So I wouldn't worry too much about any of your trading losses in either stocks or in crypto. I think that things are going to get a lot worse here. So it's not looking too good at this point, and I think we got a lot of downside left to go here. I'm very, very upset that I can't touch the amount of money that I've got in Voyager right now. And somebody point me in the direction of the CEO. I'd like to shake his hand. Anyway, we've got AMC sitting at $13.50 right now. It is down 0.5%. Shiba Inu coin, 1,000 points per coin. GameStop going on a little afternoon run here, sitting 1.60% higher. And Clovis, my goodness, Clovis going on an absolute run. Wish I was still in it at this point. That $2.15 exit was nice, but it would have been a lot nicer to stay in. And yes, you would have had to have ridden it down to about $1.50, $1.60, actually $1.30. But now it's all the way back up at $2.80. So it would have been a lot better off. Would have tripled my money at this point if I was able to hold in instead of just doubling my money. Clovis doing very well as Boxed is sitting stagnant down here at $1.88. Man, this is the worst live stream ever. Pudgy, this is a bad live stream, dude. It's a bad live stream. He's coming. The Voyager news is miserable. Yes, Steve Danger. I am here now. It is really bad, dude. But I honestly, I don't even know, man. Maybe our bank accounts are next. Steer clear of crypto until the dust settles. Yeah, see, the problem is with the dust settling, a lot of us are already in crypto. And when they just steal your money like that, guys, I've been robbed so many times in my life that I'm kind of numb to it at this point, but I have zero respect for human beings that are willing to take somebody else's money without permission. Like, zero whatsoever. So the CEO of Voyager out there, all the way trickling down to the janitor that works in the building, you guys have lost it, and you're never gonna regain it. About a ledger in S-Code wallet, problem solved. Yes, Clay, I hit the like button. Thank you very much, Kid Woody. Appreciate that. GME moving nicely into the close. Well, it was, Pringleton. Now it's moving nicely back down into the close right here, or at the close right here. It dropped and basically gave up all the gains that it just had, sitting and closing at $123.62 at the moment. More VGE, something MM, and Ledger. Yes, you guys either go cold or I don't even know if decentralized is going to be good beyond this. But look at the DAB radar. I told you. I tried to look at it earlier, man. DAB radar. I tried to look at that earlier, but I didn't see it on CoinMarketCap. So I actually don't know what it's doing there. We can see if it is trading. I don't see it. What's the coin symbol, man? Oh, there we go. It's DAPP, not DAAP. I was typing in DAAP. DAP radar up 135% today. Not bad at all there. 135% gains all the way up to 2.5 cents. I want to see if VGX is trading or if it's done. VGX sitting at 27 cents right now, and I don't know if it's going to be trading or not, but you guys can probably expect this to go down to nothing here as people realize. The news dropped about an hour ago, maybe a half or 45 minutes ago or so, and as people realize that they've gone out and frozen everybody's money, this coin's going to go back down to nothing. Maybe it goes to 2 cents, maybe it goes to 1 cent. Nobody knows. But Kid Witty, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Kid Witty says, where are we at here? What does this say? Victory? Yes, Kid Witty says, victory! 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 We got one more for you, Kid Witty. Victory! Kid Witty, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. How often do you get to say bon voyage to someone going on a voyage? Too soon? Had to be on Big Bang Theory reference. Yeah, it could be too soon, man. Bon voyage to Voyager. I just hope, man, at this point that they do allow customers to get their money back. Like I said, the majority of mine was in USDC, but at this point with everything suspended, I don't know if you just got to write it off as a total loss or what's going on and if we will have access to it. The good news is that the majority was not sitting in Voyager, because I know that coin's going to open up 99% down when you can get back and have access to their platform. Yo, Clay, keep doing your thing, dude. Honestly, appreciate your videos. Then most your energy is also great. Bro, keep up the great work. Christian Diaz, man, thank you very much. Really appreciate that positive feedback, dude. AMC beat Max Payne again. Also, more FTDs next week then. Yes, dude. I don't know what Max Payne was at. Was it at $13 a share and we closed at $13.50? Because they didn't even try to bring us down into the close here. And GameStop already given back the daily gains that it had, man. Sitting at $123.39 after hours right now. Let's see. Did you have a lot on Voyager? I had the majority of my crypto on Voyager. So we're going to have to see what goes on there, man. We're going to see what goes on there. I'm sitting in USDC because I wanted to ride the bear market down here. But we're going to have to see what happens with Voyager when they decide to open it back up. Wake TF up, we have no rights to our bodies, money, life, liberty, and certainly no justice. Whatever, dudes. I'm done with this. M&D, don't be done with me, though. Look, guys. Look, clearly, you know, I can be a little upset right now, and I don't want that to, like, I don't know, spill over onto you. Best case scenario, right? We are frozen for a minute, and then they open it back up, and everybody withdraws off their platform and leaves them bankrupt and jobless. Like, that's best case scenario. Worst case scenario, yes, they did just steal all of our money. But best case scenario, all of our assets are going to be fine when they open back up. We're going to be able to withdraw everything. They will have 0 customers. And then they will all be on unemployment or unable to collect unemployment, because at that point there won't be any money left in the U.S. But yeah, it's all right. I'm not gonna try and be too negative here. Let's see here, bro. Why are you saying to take all your crypto off centralized bro? Why are they saying to take crypto off of centralized exchanges? I'm kind of dumb. No, so little Tim, you're not kind of dumb, dude. Anybody, and this is like. So we've seen a couple different cryptocurrency hedge funds and cryptocurrency exchanges and so on filing bankruptcy lately, hitting issue or insolvency issues and things like that. But Voyager was a cryptocurrency exchange, and they just suspended everybody's assets and locked us out of our accounts. So if you do have your cryptocurrency on a centralized exchange like that, it seems like these centralized exchanges are getting very confident in freezing people's money. And therefore people are saying, get off a centralized exchange. Because it's the same way, like if you have your money in a bank and the bank says, well, we're closed today, you're not getting your money out. If they say, well, we're not issuing any more debit card or credit card transactions right now, you do not have access to your money at that point. So that's what people would go on a run for the bank and get cash out of the bank if the bank was freezing your assets and not allowing you to have access to them. The same thing's happening with cryptocurrency right now. Coinbase issued a warning at the end of the first quarter, and people, were, okay, it's out there. That sounds really trashy, and, we don't know if that's going to happen or not. Then you see Celsius freeze customer accounts. You see 3 Arrows not paying people money back. Now we've got Voyager locking, retail investors out of their accounts and suspending withdrawals, clearly nobody's going to be dumb enough to make a deposit on Voyager ever again. But, that's why they're saying do it, because the centralized exchanges, one by one, are basically stealing everybody's money and not allowing you to have access to it. You really think it would open back up? I doubt it. Oh, Steve Danger, dude. I hope that they... Here's the thing, though. Like, all of that money that they have that is sitting there it's not their money, right? It's not their money to go out and spend and so on. So do I think that they'll open back up? I don't think that they'll ever be in business again. Do I think that, somebody is going to have to sue them to have access, or customers have access to their money again? Maybe, but nobody in their right mind, like no judge, no jury out there would ever say, well, these customers they shouldn't have access to their money at that point. That does not make any sense whatsoever. TMI posted a video about a lot of AMC FTDs. Couldn't really watch, but any quick news on that? No. Man, I read a headline that said there were like 2.5 million FTDs on AMC, I think yesterday. But I did not read the article, and I did not watch TMI's video, so I don't know if that's what he was referencing or not. But if it is, 2.5 million FTDs, they could clear that up very quickly. But I think that might be what he's referencing, since I did see that headline yesterday. I'll put some in it. Kuval, yeah, I'll check out in 2 seconds, cracked, right after I say, Bobby, man, thank you for the super chat. Thank you very much, Bobby. Really appreciate that super sticker, dude. That little lime head's getting a lot of action recently. I think that might be your favorite super sticker. Bobby, thank you very much, dude. Sent you a tweet. Bobby, I'll get on it. I don't know if I can really look at it right now. Finally got the stream to load. Good deal, Frank. Finds it today that he may buy Celsius and change it to Fahrenheit. Pat, yeah, but nice, man. Maybe he will. Can I buy more Bitcoin if my dad is Metallica? Phil? Probably. If they take that, they are all in a prison. Like, what the heck? We need regulations on these exchanges. Yeah, Lil Tim, that's the thing. Being centralized exchanges like that and stealing your money worse than a hacker on a decentralized exchange, it's very confusing to me that like nobody's making a larger uproar about this than what we're seeing. So I think it is a matter of time, too, before we start seeing people take matters into their own hands if the legal side takes a while to have come out. Why Bitcoin is great, at least on here, surprises me. Kraken is the best exchange. They've been around since 2011 with no hiccups at all. Yeah, Spaniard. Binance been around for quite some time. Coinbase been around for quite some time, and the largest. But at this point in time, dude, I honestly think even Kraken, right? Even Kraken, like cryptocurrency at this point is at its breaking point. When people start to see that centralized exchange after centralized exchange is stealing their money, even if it's not Kraken just yet. If you see Voyager going down, if you see Celsius going down, if you see Gemini going down, if you see FTX going down, if you see Coinbase going down, if you see Binance going down, don't you think that people are just going to be selling off and dumping their crypto? So I do. I think that we're going to see a lot further downside in crypto at this point. And, exchange after exchange is probably going to be getting hit. Pudgy with an 8-month member chat. Who was first in the chat? I want my trophy. Pudgy, first in the chat, baby. Then Frank, Pudgy, PS5, Frank, Emma-D, Brindalero, Pudgy, Emma-D, Frank, Cracked, Emma-D, Nufo. Yeah, all you guys were in the chat. Pudgy was first in the chat today. Thank you very much for that member chat, man. Voyager, any comment? Ooh, yeah, I've got a lot of comments on Voyager. Jameson, my money is locked up right now. Anybody that works at Voyager, I don't care if you answer phones, I don't care if you are the CEO, zero respect for any thieves out there, and that's what they are, man, that's what they are. Locking somebody else's money up and saying, maybe I'll give it back to you, maybe I won't, is, I mean, that's what thieves do. So, anybody would be labeled a thief that works, or I guess, I don't know. Works for Voyager at this point. Also, Clay, notice Disney, Sony, and Amazon have went down a lot. You think those would be a good play for later on when things start to bounce? Yes, Chris, I do. I don't know how bad things are gonna get. I do think that, you know, with Amazon down roughly 50% from where it was before, Disney down big, I don't think that those companies are like going to go under or anything. But I don't know if you're gonna see some of the gains that you could see in other companies. Like at this point where Disney's at, yeah, you might be able to double your money. Amazon, you might be able to double your money. Netflix is one that is tempting because you could like 3-4x your money from where it's at right now. But I don't know, man. Netflix has been making a lot of people mad recently. So Netflix is kind of on the back burner at this point, but a lot of the bigger companies, Google, Amazon, Disney, things like that, I do think that they'll recover, and you know you'll be able to double or triple your money at some point. Do you think the issue with every exchange having issues is because of the Luna issue? No, Matthew, I don't think that it's due to that issue. I think it's due to the fact that crypto in general is down. You know, we're watching things go down like 60 to 90% across the board. And Luna, being a big asset, Luna was a very large asset at like $50 billion. But these exchanges, what they do is they make their money. The revenue comes from transactional volume. Every time you buy and sell, they make a little percentage on every single trade. Now, what I think one of the problems that happened there is that these exchanges weren't just making revenue off transactional volume. I think that they're taking everybody's money that they deposit in there to buy these cryptocurrencies, and whether or not they're holding the cryptocurrencies and so on, they're loaning these cryptocurrencies out. And that's what I'm seeing with Voyager. So Voyager loaned out just under $1 billion to Three Arrows, a cryptocurrency hedge fund. Well, if Three Arrows borrowed $1 billion worth of cryptocurrency, let's say when Bitcoin was at 60,000 and they just lost $1 billion, here's the strange part to me. They still owe the 20,000 Bitcoin. They still owe Voyager 20,000 Bitcoin. You're not dealing in dollars at that point. You're dealing in crypto. So just give Voyager the 20,000 Bitcoin back. Like, I don't understand that part, but I think where they get into trouble too is that they're loaning customers' assets out and trying to get a return on customers' assets, similar to what a bank would be doing. I think that's the main problem that we're seeing is a culmination of down prices. Therefore, their loans are underwater, and the fact that many less people are trading cryptocurrency right now. Pika Power, thank you for the super chat. Pika says, I just got the position, Clay. Yes! Guys, I want to see 95. Congratulations to Pika right now. And it comes with a raise, too. So, cha-ching! Oh, yes. Thank you for the encouragement and the support. Pika Power, absolutely incredible. So glad to see that. You guys better, listen, you guys better blow it up right now for Queen Pikachu in the chat, guys. She just got that new position. It does come with a raise. Absolutely incredible. Pika, you got to celebrate this weekend. Look, I know there's a lot of nonsense going on out there right now, but you got to celebrate this weekend. Uh, yeah, we knew you'd get it. We knew as long as your managers and stuff were semi-normal, they could clearly see that you are capable of doing the work, and not only capable, but deserve that transfer there. So, Pika, congratulations to you. Absolutely love to hear the good news. And you gotta celebrate. Celebrate the little wins in life, Pika. Go get some ice cream or something this weekend and enjoy that new position for sure. And then, hey, I don't know if you can spend any more time in the live chat either, but shoot, we'll be glad to have you in here if you can. Heck yeah, Pika, let's do it. Congrats, Pika. There you go. Congrats, Pika. You're evolved. Pika's evolving. Oh no! Stop the evolution. We don't need no moonstone in here. Stop the evolution. Hey, how does burning Shiba work? If people bought the whole supply, then it can hit 1 cent. Yeah, Jasper, they'd probably have to buy more than the whole supply, right? The entire supply has already been bought at this point and then lent back to liquidity pools and stuff like that. So the entire supply of Shiba Inu coin is already sitting in wallets. So it's not like there's just a bag of Shiba Inu coin out there that nobody owns. It has all been bought, either by exchanges or by individuals. So they would have to buy it multiple times over, and then you sell it, and I buy it off you, and then somebody buys it off me, and so on, in order for the price to rise up to a cent. But burning it takes the supply out of circulation. Nobody can buy it when it's been burned. Voyager shut off everything. Kyle, they did, man. They did. Voyager just got me very upset today. The thieves that are working out there right now, hopefully, I don't know, man. Hopefully they step on a crack and break their mother's back on the way home from work today or something. They got me very upset, dude, with the money I got frozen on Voyager right now. My working days are done. Bobby, that's the best kind of working day ever, man. Hey, do you keep your Alunk on Central Exchange? If yes, well, dude, I had almost, so I've got a little, well, I mean, I've got some cryptocurrency, but not as much as I had on Voyager. I have some cryptocurrency in Trust Wallet. I've got cryptocurrency in Webull, and I had it in Voyager. Now, dude, Voyager may be a total loss. We're going to have to find out on that one. But, yeah, it was. I had it in centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. Victor! Thank you for the super chat. Victor says, Clay, man, it's all right. Don't be sad today. Just take that banana and show us how to eat it. You peel the banana, man. You tilt the head back a little bit. Victor, I'm thinking about you, but I'm looking at Trapper, man. You take the banana. It's called the lick and stick. You lick and you stick. But you notice the eye contact there. The eye contact was the most important part. Victor, thank you very much for the super sticker, man. Making everybody's day just a little bit better. No lick and stick for me. Oh, Pika, there's the lick and stick right there. Clay, do you think Voyager thought it was a good idea to make a nice return by putting people's money in Anchor? Whoops. Dude, I don't think that... I'm starting to realize that I don't think Voyager thought about anything. I don't think Voyager thought about anything, dude. I think that the people working at Voyager, they might be like robots, man. They might be robots, because I don't think that they thought about anything. Is Coinbase in danger of going bankrupt? I was thinking about moving my assets from there. So Mr. Lambo's crypto talk. I didn't think that Voyager was in as much trouble as they are, but apparently the $500 million that they lent out to Three Arrows was like detrimental to them. That would be the same thing as me borrowing on my house right now and lending it to some cracked sports card down the street and expecting everything to be okay. You lend one person your entire savings, well, what is going to happen? So apparently, yes, like that was bad news for Voyager. And yes, at this point in time, I don't care who Coinbase has lent out to. I think that as people realize what's going on with crypto, there's probably going to be some runs on cryptocurrency exchanges, and it's not only going to hit the cryptocurrency prices, it's going to hit the cryptocurrency exchange pretty hard as well. They probably broke their mother's heart, actually. They probably told their mom to put their money in Voyager Exchange and not diversify their exchanges and wallets. Oh, God. Yeah, dude, they probably did, man. They probably did. They stepped on their back, or stepped on a crack and broke their mother's heart, too. Oh, mine's on Binance. Bobby, well, man, we hope Binance does well then. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Pika Pico gets a diamond-handed ape in the chat. Splurge your raise on falling assets. LMAO, congrats. Heck yeah. Chris, man, thank you for telling Pika Power congratulations. And Pika Power, for real, congratulations again. I do think that's incredible. Anytime somebody gets a raise, it's well-deserved, too. Piga, you're awesome, and I'm glad you got that new position out there. Emma D, everything is trash. Piga's queen, be a little cat. The world is mean. Emma D, that was actually beautiful. Look at that poem that was written there with emojis. Emma D says, everything is trash. Pika is queen. Be a little cat. The world is mean. Dude, Emma D, I like that. You guys got to do more of those. Emma D, thank you very much for the super chat and the creativity on the little poem there. Can't just go from one exchange to another. Need to get your money off exchange, buy a ledger, treasure, anything. Yeah, listen, I agree with that, JB. I do agree with that. At this point in the game, like, if I think you're going to have to stomach some more downturns, so I don't even know how heavy I'd be going into crypto. But I do think, man, I don't know about these centralized exchanges at all. I think decentralized or cold storage might be the way to go. So where do we go now? I guess we go right outside Voyager's front door and make them sleep in the office. Like, I guess that's the best plan of action, is to go outside and make sure that they can't go home. Like, if we can't have our money, they can't have their money either. Like, I can almost guarantee you that they had their employees withdraw money off the app within the last week, or they sped up their withdrawals and got them all out over the last couple of days. I can almost guarantee you that they did that. So if anybody wants to go out and make sure that those people can't go home and that they're forced to sleep in the office and not have access to their money like we can't have access to ours, I think that that's fair. Thank you, Chris, and Emma D. I nominate Chris for the next raise. Let's get it. Chris needs the next raise for sure. Lucky thoughts. For your Voyager loss, best wishes. P.S. Pika is queen. Lucky thoughts, man. Thank you. Listen, at this point, I may mentally write it off, but I am still slightly optimistic that they will at least free up customers' assets at some point, okay? I don't know when or if they will, so I am, oh God, man. I'm looking at potentially mentally writing that off as a loss, and golly bum, man. Golly bum. Taking the crap out of my descriptions, too. Picking thing to finally pay my rent. Hey, yeah, my USDC is sitting on MetaMask, and even that is making me nervous. JB, I wouldn't doubt. Like, think about it. If Coinbase controls Coinbase wallet, what happens if Coinbase goes under? I mean, you still think there's going to be a Coinbase app? What happens if Binance goes under? You think there's still going to be a Trust Wallet app? I don't understand what's going to happen to these decentralized apps if the people that run them are taken out of the game. So I would be skeptical too, man. I would be skeptical too. Libro, why is the crypto market in the green and we not in a bear market? And we not in a bear market. 19K, I'm done with this pumping and dumping. No cussing. Yeah. PS5. For sure, man. I don't know why. I think the crypto market right now, we're not in the green, but Bitcoin is up slightly at 19.5. Been trending higher over the last hour or so. We're just buying dips right now. People are buying dips on the way down with Bitcoin and bouncing off some of these support lines. But, dude, if the majority of Bitcoin is being held on, retail Bitcoin is being held on Coinbase or something, if Coinbase comes out and freezes assets, or if Coinbase comes out and Coinbase users see 3 other exchanges that don't allow them to touch their Bitcoin and allow them to touch their money, it's going to be bad news for the price of crypto in general. So I think we're still in a bear market that's got a long way to go. How do you protect your crypto coins just in case the exchanges go down? What's your opinion on ledger wallets? How do you protect those from theft? So, Dan, very good questions. How do you protect your crypto coins? We need centralized exchanges to allow you to trade your Bitcoin for fiat currency. We need Coinbase. We need Voyager. We need Binance. If you want to have a Bitcoin and then you want to sell that Bitcoin for $1, you either need to find a buyer, like you and I need to meet up at McDonald's, do some Craigslist transaction where I come and hand you $10 and you give me a Bitcoin like they used to do in the old days, or you need a centralized exchange that says, okay, well, I'll facilitate that transaction for you. Give me $10, I'll give you a Bitcoin. We need centralized exchanges. So how do we protect our coins in case they go down? Decentralized exchanges are a way to do that. But at this point in the game, man, I'm believing that decentralized exchanges could also go down. A ledger wallet is like a little flash drive, right? You take a little ledger wallet and you load your cryptocurrency on there. How do you protect that from theft? If somebody steals your ledger wallet, JB, correct me if I'm wrong, or if Steve Danger's still in here. If somebody steals your ledger wallet, you still get that passphrase. You still get that like 12-word phrase, and you could go out and get another wallet, another ledger wallet, say yours broke or somebody stole yours. You would be able to use your passphrase with a new ledger wallet. And therefore, you would still have access to your money in that sense. So I believe that is how you would protect your assets in the event that somebody stole your ledger, or your house flooded or something, or house caught on fire and your ledger broke. You would be able to go there and you can insert your new passphrase into a new ledger, and you'll have your money. So that is looking like it's probably the best way to protect assets at this point. And, oh, man, I don't know, dude. I don't know. It's just so confused. You think, guys, you think that people running businesses like that, you think that they know how to function in society. Like, they have to eat lunch every day. They have to go home and have dinner. They have to drive to work. And they make decisions on a daily basis. And then they blow your mind like they're doing right now. And it makes you question everything about who they are. And I really question how these people make it through life, how they remember to eat, how they can learn how to commute to work, and how they can function in a society knowing that they're willing to make decisions that are so absurd. It's confusing to me. Let's go back out to a 1-minute chart on Bitcoin, sitting at 19,589 right now. It's a bear market, and the bulls and apes need to mentally get into hibernation mode, load the boat, and Chip Bro collecting nuts for the winter. Dude, I like that. It's a bear market, and the bulls need to get ready to hibernate. That's a fact, man. That's a fact. Bull money! Why you spamming, dude? Dang, Voyager, you just lost me money. Dude, Bronson. Yeah, man. Yeah, Voyager's got my money, too. This is not to say that they're not going to open back up, but very doubtful. I'm very doubtful that they make it home tonight. It's a bear market, but still benefit from covered calls. Oh, dude, you can benefit from covered calls. You can benefit from puts. You can benefit from all of the things that you would play either with a stagnant price or a declining price. Can I tell you what's going on with Voyager? Yes. So at this point of the game, Voyager decided that they are going to freeze everything. You cannot use their app for anything. You can not take your money off of it. You cannot have access to your money. You cannot make a trade. You do not receive any of the passive income rewards. It's not your money anymore. It's their money until they decide one of two things. To either keep it or they decide to give it back to you. At this point of the game, I hope they decide to give it back to us, being the thieves that they are. But usually thieves don't decide to give it back to you. So why they made that decision was because they made a terrible decision in loaning out $500 million, $700 million, whatever it was, to Three Arrows. And Three Arrows defaulted on a loan, and they're not paying them back. So these guys are saying, well, they stole from us, so it's going to be okay to steal from you. That's their mentality, man. They're basically worthless. Another company should give an option of insurance to cover losses, $19.99. Well, Michael, here's the thing, though, man. Here's the thing. You know, it's not like we're just giving Coinbase or giving Voyager our money for them to invest. We're simply depositing it. We're buying it, right? What we did was we bought VGX. We bought USDC. We bought Bitcoin. We bought Ethereum. And it's being stored on their platform. Now, they still have that Ethereum, right? Even if they can't make their payments, they still have that Ethereum. They still have that Bitcoin. They still have that Shiba. They still have that USDC. We should have access to it. There should be no sort of insurance. Well, if we decide to steal your money, we're not going to steal yours because you pay $20 a month for us not to steal your money. That doesn't make any sense. You know, even if the price is coming down, we should still be able to trade and transfer our crypto back into fiat. My gosh, where did that money go? Where did that money go? Voyager's like a Nigerian cold calling you. Can't believe people put their money there. By the way, my financial friend is totally broke. Every dime he had was on Voyager. Wayne Grow, dude, majority of my crypto is on Voyager or was on Voyager. So yeah, dude, it's gonna be interesting to see what they do with it, man. I had moved over into USDC. I was waiting to ride this bear market out, sitting in USDC. And, well, it looks like I'm going to be forced to wait this bear market out in USDC at this point. And come the end of the bear market, either Voyager is going to rebound and allow me to have access to my USDC again and not allow me to buy it at the bottom and not allow me to buy crypto at the bottom when I wanted to, or they're just going to steal my money, man. Important question. Will Brittany Griner ever get released? Nufo, I have no idea. Does anybody know that answer? Tim, thank you very much for the super chat. Clay, bro, just sold a project car. I finished. So Magic 8-Ball question. Throw the money at the farm or dump $27,000 on Shib and it hits 900 again. Oh, God, dude. Are you like, you have a farm? If you have a farm, dude, I'm going to say the farm. Let's ask. Should Tim throw $27,000 on Shiba when it hits 900 again? That is the question right there. Should Tim Hogan throw $27,000 on Shiba when it hits 900 again? The answer is don't count on it, man. Don't count on it is the answer. The 8-Ball is playing it a little bit safe here, and he's saying don't count on throwing $27,000 on Shiba Inu coin when it hits 900 again. I'm not going to lie, dude. I'm not going to lie. That's a smart 8-Ball. At this point in the game, if centralized exchange after centralized exchange starts stealing everybody's money, we're probably going to see Bitcoin back down to like $50, dude. If you can't use a centralized exchange to change it for money, it's going to be back to the days before centralized exchanges existed, and you're never going to be able to transfer it back out to fiat. So at that point, it's either going to be a cryptocurrency to cryptocurrency transaction, or it's simply going to be mining and holding your crypto coins that you are able to mine, or if there's a singular centralized exchange, it's going to be extremely risky, man. They'll all go to jail if they won't open up withdrawals. Hey, William, we hope so, man. We hope so, but part of me also hopes that they're like not even able to. I don't know where Voyager headquarters are. But part of me hopes, dude, that, you know, the people that are working there, that they're not even allowed to leave their office tonight and they have to sleep in their office. If you haven't, leave a like and subscribe. Listen to Pika and do it. But doesn't Voyager have insurance for situations like this? Junior, yeah, you would expect that businesses do have insurance. You would expect that all of this would be something that they would be able to take care of. That stealing people's money would be like the last thing on their mind. That's why it's so that's why I'm making fun of the situation a little bit and how these people even know how to drive to work, because they're making a decision that is so incomprehensible to me that I don't know how they can make normal life decisions. I don't know how they know how to drive to work. I don't know how they know how to tie their shoes. I don't know how they know how to eat breakfast in the morning and things like that. So when they make a decision that is just so outlandish, dude, it's very strange to me. And yeah, I agree with you. They should allow people to take their money. Seem like you avoid controversy and skipped in the Skip Bayless of YouTube stocks. Do I avoid? Well, look, dude, no, I don't avoid controversy at all. I think that everybody's got different opinions on everything, but I do think that some forms of controversy are almost pointless, right? And we know some of the trigger topics and things like that where people don't actually want to talk about one side or discuss one side. It is just a fire starter at that point. People do just want to get passionate about it and argue. I know at some point, man, that things aren't even really worth discussing unless you're level-headed and can actually discuss it. The internet really makes the problem worse. But no, I don't have a problem and want to avoid controversy. I think it's very controversial what Voyager just did. Binance is the way to go. Binance is another centralized exchange, though. Hope for Daddy Sam to bail out Voyager. Dude, I hope that... yeah, I hope... listen, I really do. I hope Voyager comes back on. People are able to get their money out. And then Voyager does go bankrupt. And everybody there has to... find another job or something. I don't want to see Voyager successful. Dan, thank you very much for the Super Chat. Dan says, what do you think of mobile app-based ledger wallets? Do you think about crypto? What do you think about crypto mining? Is it worth mining small altcoins like Shiba Inu? So Dan, it might not be worth mining small altcoins like Shiba Inu coin, but it depends on what your equipment is. So right now, it's actually, with all the prices, like with Raven coin back down to 2 cents, it's not really worth me mining Raven coin at this point, because what I would pay in electricity is more than I would be making in Raven coin. Now, when it goes back up again, I will have been making a profit that entire time. So yes, I have, and not currently turned on, but I have been mining basically since 2017. So I do like mining. Is it worth mining Shiba Inu coin? I don't actually know what the profit ratios are on Shiba Inu coin, but like Ethereum Classic, Ethereum, Raven coin, things like that can be profitable. Now, ledger wallets, mobile app-based ledger wallets. I think if you're talking something similar to Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, and so on, probably more secure and more willing to allow you to have access to your money than something like Voyager or Coinbase or a centralized exchange like Binance. But you have to remember, a lot of these wallets are owned by these centralized exchanges. So Coinbase Wallet, owned by Coinbase. Crypto.com Wallet, owned by Crypto.com. Binance, owned by Binance. Or Trust Wallet, owned by Binance. So what happens if that exchange does go under? Does the ledger-based wallet go under as well? Binance promises user refunds first if the company goes bankrupt. Ray, yeah, dude, you would think that that's the common sense route, right? But if they see that everybody's taking their money, I don't know. I would hope. I'm not going to get skeptical of Binance and say that they're going to steal people's money as well, since it's so outlandish. But that seems to be the going trend right now. Not to get too conspiracy theory-ish, but could the government be not trying as hard to fix everything, cause a lot of them to know they screwed the pooch since the GME blow up? I feel like they know they could win the waiting game if it goes long enough. No, that's not even a conspiracy theory, dude. It's not even a conspiracy theory. I really do think that what they're doing right now is planned. I think they know, and a lot of these corporations know, that like 4 times the amount of money is in existence now than was in existence 2 years ago in 2020. They've printed tens of trillions of dollars, US dollars. And because of that, I want to ask you guys, do you have 4 times as much money now as you had in 2020? The answer is probably no. It could be yes, but it's probably no. We saw stocks exploding People were buying stocks. They were making a lot of money. Retail was actually making a lot of money. We took the money that we were given and people were investing and things were looking great. Now, dude, can we really have retail investors and regular people rising up, 4xing, 5xing, 10xing, 20xing their money on cryptocurrencies, on stocks, and becoming independent and becoming wealthy? The answer is no. So what do we have to do, man? We got to figure out some way to get this money back. One way is to allow the stock market to go back down. We sell our assets at the top, make our money, and then we'll buy back in when it starts to go lower. You notice the Federal Reserve, they are not allowed to trade. They got out of all of their individual stocks at the absolute peak in November. And they've been riding it down ever since, not invested in individual stocks. You've got inflation that is absolutely wild right now. That money goes back to taxes and so on, with higher prices, getting taxed even more, and all of the sales tax and everything that goes on that. The government's getting back the money that they spent, and really they're the ones that are going to be sitting on 4 times as much money because there's 4 times as much money in existence, not us. So it is a cycle, dude, where they're trying to get that money back. Listen, Timber, your weekend. Have a happy holiday. Listen, new fall, man. Like I say, dude, I've been robbed enough times in my life that it does suck. I am slightly numb to it, but I will never have respect for a thief. And that's what I feel like is going on right now. So it probably won't. I'll complain about it a little bit, but it'll be right. Listen, X has Bluetooth mobile app. Very nice. JB, how many ledgers you got, and how long have you had them? Are they something I should get? Might also get it matters how long people hold. Is this true? Smash the like button and subscribe. Become a bro. Let's do it. Listen to Tim, guys. Smiggity smash the like button, Clay Bro fam. Zap Radar and Ellipsis could take a quick look at these. Don't have to spend but 30 seconds on each one. I know you have way more important things to do. William, never got more important things to do. Yeah, DAP Radar is doing very well today. DAP Radar is actually up 100+%. DAP Radar sitting here. Let's see if Voyager's falling. Voyager's got to be falling right now. How's Voyager not tanking below 28 cents? It should be absolutely worthless at this point. DAP Radar down here. DAP Radar is sitting up 156%, continuing to rise right now. Going from 1 cent today all the way up to 2.7 cents right now. DAP Radar absolutely destroying it. And then Ellipsis. Nope, don't have that up there. Why does it not show up? Is it 2 L's? Oh, there it is. Ellipsis sitting at 16 cents right now. Or maybe it's this one. Okay, up 11% right now. Seems to be this one, up 11% right now, 0.000579. Very interesting that it's sitting at that. It's having a nice day as well. So if you guys want to check out EP Ellipsis and DAP Radar, there you go. And thank you very much for bringing those to our attention. Where are we at here? What's better? What's a better cold storage wallet? I don't know what the difference between Trezor and Ledger would be. Yes, I didn't work back then. P Varsies, yes, I didn't work back then. Clay just logged on. I know you're probably already talking about it. Voyager froze everything. Will I get my assets back or my money? John, we hope so, dude, because that's where I had the vast majority of my crypto. But at this point in the game, dude, I'm going to say I have no idea. I'm going to say I have no idea, man. It's all going to depend on whether or not these people are actual thieves or if they're just actually trying to, for some reason, be safe, and that's the best thing that they could come up with. Let's see. Hey, Clay, you think what Anonymous said would cause Terra to go up? JJ. I do actually. Ciao, Clay. Paulo Delgado. What is this? Paulo Delgado. Paulo Delgado? That one? Did I get it right? Ciao. What's up, Paulo? How you doing today? Yes, we can. It's America, the place where dreams come true only when the government allows it. Yes, that is exactly right. When you say you have been robbed enough, can you example at gunpoint? Yeah, at gunpoint, knife point, online, house broken into. and scammed one time too. I think that's all. So one time gunpoint, one time knife point, one time, like one time I bought something that they just never sent. That was like an actual buy, but that's a scam. And then one time they broke into the house, and one time, they just somehow hacked my bank account and tried to sell themselves $2,500. Got that one back though, but that was still annoying to have to deal with the bank on that one. Yeah, brother, I see you drinking a lot there. I'm on the same boat with my crypto and Voyager. I'm telling you, dude, Voyager's not gonna end well. I'll just say it like that. Man, dude, crypto really feels like, Fat Kid 1999. It does, man. Crypto really does feel like a scam, and I think that's the bizarre part. You've got these people. I can understand like an actual crypto scam, right? Where you have a coin that somebody makes and it's literally a scam from the beginning. But when you've got these people who are supposedly running a successful business, just try to pull the rug out from under you, like Voyager. It's like that's the mind-boggling part, man, is that how they think that that's acceptable. That part really, really gets me. Voyager suspended withdrawals, deposits, and trading. Not good. Gary, very not good, man. I think that more centralized exchanges will follow, and this is going to reverberate through crypto. I think we got a long way down, man. Bring a smile to your face. 4 more days till Taco Tuesday. Man, I wish it was 3. We need more than half the week still left, Nufo. FYI, if you haven't already, might be a good idea to screenshot all your crypto holdings. Can't even do it in Voyager, so yes, it probably would be a good idea to screenshot all your crypto holdings. The sad thing is, man, I was in Voyager earlier today looking at all my crypto holdings. I don't have any up-to-date screenshots of what they are. I didn't get a chance to. Dang, brother, where did you live, Gary, India? Oh man. Now Voyager is 0002559. Hola from Guadalajara, España. Hey, all those dilemmas. How the heck have you been through so much? Like, what the heck? Ross, I don't know, man. I guess I'm an easy target for people wanting to steal my stuff. And I'm not gonna lie, dude. I'm not gonna lie. It sucked. That's why I don't like thieves, okay? That's why I don't like thieves. Like, at all. I don't like them at all. Let's see. Voyager's if you're talking about VGX, there's no way it dropped that fast, but I do think it's probably gonna go down there, man. 28 cents, only a matter of time before this bad boy goes down to like 2 cents. They know we're going bankrupt there. Don't trust fake clay, bro. It will take you on a glamorous vacation and you'll have the time of your life, but it'll leave you with the bill. Fake clay, bro sucks, Pika Power. You are right. Don't trust the fake clay, bro, but I am the real clay, bro. Yeah, man. I would never want to take you on a glamorous vacation just to leave you with a bill. I feel like that's what people would do to me. So, no, I wouldn't want to do that to you. 31 million tons of gold were found in Uganda. Where is our homie Ugandan Toad? Dude, he's with 31 million tons of gold, dude. That's where he's at. Wait, same here. I was just looking at it earlier this morning, too. Yeah, John, ridiculous, isn't it, dude? Literally, You know what? I don't know if I actually looked at it between live streams. I did open the Voyager app between live streams and look at what Lunk and VGX were trading at, but I don't actually think that I looked at my holdings. I do think, however, that I looked at my holdings this morning prior to making that video. Binance to hold meetings on Lunk Burns. I see them as major supporters. Well, we hope so, dude. Kevin O'Leary said 1 trillion BTC could come overnight. How true is he? He said 6 trillion overall crypto market cap. Realistic. When? So 6 trillion, if you're talking market cap, yeah, 1 trillion market cap on Bitcoin could come overnight. We're already in somewhere near that range. What is the market cap on BTC right now? 600,000? Or 600 million? 600 billion, I mean. All right, no. So the actual Bitcoin's market cap has fallen pretty heavy. Bitcoin's market cap is currently only sitting at 372 million. Do I think that Bitcoin could triple overnight? No, probably not. I don't think it's going to triple overnight. So never mind. I thought the market cap was higher than that. It's at 372. I don't think that Bitcoin is going to triple in value overnight. It's possible, but I don't think that. I wouldn't be betting on that happening. As far as 6 trillion market cap happening, the market cap was at 6 trillion back in November. So that is a possibility, and it's going to happen on the next run again. Now, do I think that that's going to happen quickly? No, I don't, but I do think it could happen. I'm looking at Voyager right now. Chill out. Pudgy, there's no, you guys, is your Voyager app open right now? Your Voyager app is open, but you can't do anything with it. So you're just sitting there looking at it without being able to have access to any of your money. Is this true? Saw on CoinGecko, sorry I missed it. It just sucks for me because I got in May 2021 and didn't sell any of my crypto during the highs. Wasn't educated enough and listened and believed 99% of the YouTubers in the extended cycle and Bitcoin and hedge. Yeah, you know what, fat kid? Here's the thing, though. That happens to a lot of people. It's always, you're always going to see people feeding off that excitement, whether it's news articles being written, people on YouTube taking advantage of the excitement and saying that, you know, this is great. But one of the things that happens with the thought process, when things are going good, people begin to believe that they're always going to go good. When things are going bad, people begin to think that they are always going to go bad and get worse. So right now, with Bitcoin falling, you know, the sentiment is kind of like, well, we're going to bottom, we're going to bottom, we're going to bottom, we're going to bottom. And then when we don't bottom, people are going to start thinking, this is going down forever, I'm getting out. It's going down forever, I'm getting out. It's going down forever, it's going to be worthless, I'm getting out. And then it does bottom and starts to turn up. And you wait, and you wait, and you wait, and you wait. And then it starts to hit new highs. And you're like, gosh, man, I wish I was still in this thing. I would have made 10x my money. This would have been great. Well, then you start to think, I'm going to get in now because it's only ever going to go up. It's only going to go up. It's only going to go up. It's only going to go up. And that's when it starts to go back down. So you do have market cycles, man, but that mentality is out there during bull and bear markets. Last about 11 a.m. I was recording at 11 a.m. But, yeah, so I think I must have looked at it slightly before that. Exchanges are Russian roulette. At this point of the game, they are. I'm looking at mine, and it says maintenance still. John, I believe you, man. Total crypto is under 2 billion right now. No, Derek, it's 2 billion? You mean 2 trillion, right? The total crypto market cap, Bitcoin alone, is 300 billion. Bitcoin alone is 372,695,161,686. Kit doesn't show me anything. Yeah, I didn't think so. We can open the app and watch the bull run. Yeah, Tennessee Eco Man. That sounds great to me. Let's just watch it from afar. Has anyone heard of a Negative HD guy? I'm worried. Don't be worried about Negative HD guy. Tim, I can almost guarantee that now that we've said his name, he will show up. Chris 100. Oh man, I didn't see what Chris said and he retracted it. Darn it. Let's see. Luna Classic does still seem to be holding pretty strong, man. Yeah, Luna Classic does still seem to be holding these support levels. And as far as like people getting excited, they only get excited when you have moves like this. They only get excited when you got moves like this. Otherwise, they all want to sit back and relax and not care when you've got slight moves. Dude, Luna Classic could follow this trend line nice and slow up for the next 6 months. And people still wouldn't get excited about it, even though they're sitting at prices that are like, I don't know, half a cent 6 months from now. They need to see, boom, they need to see these explosive gains to show any excitement. But yeah, the support levels are holding up very nicely on Terra Luna Classic right now. Claro, thanks Clay, and enjoy your weekend. We'll wait for your uploads to get me through the week, until the next live. Respect, brother. PS5, thank you for watching, and absolutely, man, you're gonna have 3 uploads a day throughout the long weekend here, and then we will be back on Tuesday since the market is closed on Monday. Best channel, period. David, thank you, dude, for real. Thank you. Appreciate all of the positive feedback, guys. You guys are great in the live streams. The comments on some of the videos are pretty negative sometimes, but yeah, you guys are awesome in the lives. Tennessee, darn. Junior, I missed it. What you said about Tennessee. Are you down at all, Clay? I'm assuming you aren't. Positive. Yeah. So, Fat Kid 1999. I did average down. I shaved a lot of my crypto positions, right? And moved them over into USDC. But I was able to average down a little bit. I believe I am slightly in the green on Shiba Inu coin. And as far as I would say the vast majority of everything else that I hold is either right at break even or in the green. But like I say, dude, I shaved a lot of positions. I'm not holding a lot in the coins that I do hold. I was holding a lot in I was holding USDC, and I was holding it in Voyager. So am I down right now? Yeah, dude, I'm down right now. Will Voyager give me my money back? We'll find out. But if not, then yes, I am down right now for sure. And not just down, but like out. Like it just disappeared. So we'll have to see how far down I actually am if they give it back. But if they don't give it back, yes, I'm certainly down. If I'm not mistaken, Voyager also has a bunch of class actions against them at this time. They're located in New Jersey. I can pick you up on the way. Protects their front door. Yeah, Bronson, come get me, man. I will be here. I don't know what kind of class actions they got going on. I'm sure they're going to get more class actions now that they've suspended people's accounts and so on. So we'll have to see how that plays out. But, yeah, dude, I don't know. New Jersey, you guys got to – there's a lot of crazy people. Oh, man, we should get Ape Father involved. I'm sure Ape Father would like to go camp out around Voyager's headquarters over there. I want to see the CEO sleeping, in the building, man. That's all I want to see. I want to see him going home and sleeping happy tonight, knowing that he stole billions of dollars from people. I want to see the dude sleeping in his office on the floor. Tim, he's been active on his website. I think I'm going to miss something about that. An important part of screenshot is coin count, not price. If they take everybody's accounts to zero, you can prove in a class action lawsuit that you held XXXX coins before the wipe. Screenshot if you can. Yeah, Frank, definitely, man. Definitely. That's the thing. You would expect, though, too, that somebody would be able to look into and see what your holdings were. But like you say, dude, they could wipe the database and just say everything's done. Maybe a hacker could check out and see what was in there if they don't wipe it well enough. But yeah, I have some screenshots of what I was holding, but not like after I had shaved off a lot of positions and gone into USDC. Peek it, you've been on his website. It's on Naked HD, guys. Is that what we're talking about? Don't know how to do a screenshot. Everything is on my phone. Yeah, Joyce. So usually, I don't know what kind of phone you have, right? But usually if you hold in like a volume button and the power button at the same time, you can take a screenshot. Some Samsungs, all you got to do is like put your hand on the side of the screen and go like that, and it'll take a screenshot for you. But with everything being on your phone, that's all you got to do. And look, if you don't know how to take a screenshot, just take somebody else's phone and hold your phone in front of it. And snap a picture of the screen on your phone. That would work as well if you can't figure out how to take a screenshot. How about Grandpa Barney? I seen Grandpa Barney on Twitter replying to some people, but I haven't seen Grandpa Barney in the live streams in a long time. If you have an iPhone, hit the power button and volume up button to screenshot. There you go. See, mine's volume down and power button on my Samsung. But yeah, it should be very easy. Very easy, whatever phone you got. Volume down and power buttons on Android phone to screenshot. Okay, and apparently volume up and the power button on iPhones to screenshot. Is this correct? Clay had Taco Bell for lunch, and I am seriously regretting it right now, man. Simonino, nah, dude, don't regret it right now. It's all right. You can have Taco Bell. I actually can't even remember the last time I had Taco Bell, dude. I can't remember. Is it still good? Like, is Taco Bell still good? I can't remember the last time I had it, but I remember it being good. Afternoon all. Hope everyone has a great, safe weekend. Riptide Redemption. That's what I hope for everybody as well, man. Brom, thank you very much, Kyle. Hit the like button. Listen to Roulette Wheel and smash that like button. Guys, we've only got 52 likes. 52 likes. What does this say? Now would be a good time to insert an ad? It probably would. I'll just insert the ad in like a minute after we say goodbye to everybody. Who will buy Voyager when it goes bankrupt? Forgot my cup. That's not a bad idea, dude. That's not a bad idea. Could you imagine if we did a hostile takeover of Voyager? Like the stock price comes down far enough that the 123 of us could just go in and buy Voyager and then enact the ultimate revenge. Yeah, dude. 100% guaranteed at that point, I would make sure that all of the current employees' accounts did not get unlocked. And then we would make sure that everybody who was a current customer got their money back. And then those employees would be out the door. It's actually a very good idea. Forgot my cup. I will look into how far down their stock price comes because of all of this. And yeah, we could definitely look into buying them. 123 of us buying them after the... Forget about buying a house. Dude. Let's just buy a Voyager and then bring them back, dude. That's where it's at. Forgot my cup's got a good idea. I disliked it. No, Pudgy, don't click dislike. Nobody should do that. What the heck is wrong with you, man? 64 likes. Only like 2 of you guys actually listen to me. But, guys, it's time to go, okay? We're going to have a nice long weekend. It's 5 o'clock right now. The weekend is about to begin. You're going to have videos. Watch the videos. I can almost, I feel it in me. I can almost guarantee you that I'm going to be a little saucy towards Voyager in the video tonight. So watch it if you guys want. I hope that it's at least somewhat respectfully unrespectful. You know what I mean? Like, I hope that I can manage to be respectfully unrespectful to the employees at Voyager over there. So watch the videos tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. You're going to have videos at normal time during the weekend and on Monday. And then we'll be back in the live streams on Tuesday, guys, when the market opens back up. But we'll do these shout-outs, and then we'll be back later. Pudgy, man, you better click the like button, not dislike. Pika Power, AMC Trapper, baby. Derek, Lil Tim. See you later. Mr. Simon, AMC Trapper says, peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Shiba Army. Gadget, see you later. Just contributed like number 53. Gadget, thank you very much. Pika Power, enjoy your weekend. And once again, Pika, congratulations on the raise and the transfer there. I'm very happy that you were able to get that job, and you really do deserve a congratulations. Frank, man, shout out to you. Chris, Derek, all you guys. Chris, AMC Trapper, Roulette Wheel, Mr. Simonino, John J, Pudgy, John J. We've got James, Spider Claw, Jameson, EIE, Atemais, Jameson, KP, or K Pittman, see you later. Pika Power, Joyce, Melamamas, forgot my cup, peace out to you as well. Mr. Simonino, JJ Camacho, Frank, Simonino, Kid Witty, John J, boom, baby, oh yeah, John, Lebanon Simon, Pika Power, PS5, Simon, Derek, PS5. We got Mr. Simon, Pika Power, Frank, Juana. If you're in here, I do hope you have a great weekend as well. Didn't see you in the chat at all today, but hopefully, if you're listening right now, I hope you have a great day and enjoy your weekend as well. Tim, everybody, enjoy it. Spend some time with family, spend some time with friends, enjoy the 4th of July, and like you guys say, man, I know some of you guys might partake in some stuff that I do not partake in, so be safe, be careful, all that good stuff. Make good decisions, all right? We'll leave it with that one. Make good decisions. Ciao, bravo say, Marcos. See you later, man. Gadget, Riptide, Pika, Pudgy, and Pika again. You guys know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.